In this video, I will show you how to create a new generic schema in Talent and how do we use them in the Talent jobs, right? And we will also talk about a couple of use cases for generic schema. We will see where it is beneficial and how do we make use of a generic schema. So let's get started. The generic schemas will be available under the metadata section once you log into the studio. When you expand metadata, you will be able to see the generic schema here, as you can see. The reason we go with generic schema is because the name itself says it is generic, right? It is not tied to any database system such as Oracle or SQL Server or any MySQL. So it is just not tied to any database. Instead, it is just a generic so that you can use it across all types of database connections. So for example, if you have an Oracle connection or SQL Server connection, and you can actually import those tables here, right? We have seen this example in my previous video. You can watch those. So we create Oracle connection and we import all the tables in Oracle, right? Let's say in your use case, a company or an organization can have their business across the globe, and each region or each country or each location may have a different application to capture customer details or product details, because products are very local to their market, right? So in those cases what happens is, each region may have a different applications to capture all those details. So one may use Oracle, one may use SQL Server, one may use MySQL, or there could be even some generic Excel files as well. So if you were to create a ETL flow for those, you will have to create all those connections, import the tables for each of the connections, right? And then you create the schemas manually, and then you kind of do all the transformations, right? So instead what you could do is, if you have a common dimension or a fact kind of data coming across different systems, different databases, so that is the right time you go with a generic schema, right? So the way you create generic schema is very straightforward. Just right click and then create generic schema. We will say regional products and then click next, and here you can actually specify create a new columns and then keep it ready. I have entered few common details here. It'll have product ID, name, whatever is common across all the system. Those information should be entered in a generic schema, and then you can hit finish. So we have our generic schema ready, and now let's open up a talent job and I'll show you how to make use of it. Here is the talent job. This is where each regional data is now read from the source and then loaded to a final target. Right? Since the product dimension is going to be across, it's same across all the regions or across different databases. So we have created this generic schema. So the way we apply is just drag this metadata onto this component. So before that, what I want to show is, if you go to this edit schema, see none of the columns are present, right? So there are no columns in any of the SQL input, right? So there are no SQL table columns. So all you have to do is just do a drag and drop, and this will automatically copy the schema. Just to show you quickly, when you go to this edit schema, right, view, and you should be able to see all the columns from the generic schema. Right, so this is how you will actually get create a new generic schema and use it across all different types of databases. So that is when generic schema is going to be really helpful. So that's all for this session, and I hope you liked it and happy learning.